Alright, so welcome back to Driveway. We are currently in the process of cutting and hacking together our fender flares. And that wasn't even anywhere close to centered. Yeah, it's looking a little better. Now we're talking. So we're just going to throw a couple screws in this thing right from the start, get a feeling for what we're looking at. Then we'll be able to go from there. But everything kind of is what it is when you're messing with these super cheap products. Yeah, that's definitely the first one. Now, since these things aren't exactly as big as we need them, kind of width-wise, we're going to have to keep manipulating them and seeing where we end up. Anyways, let's just keep this rolling. Alright, so all in all, that is not horrible. This tip kind of sticking out here is kind of annoying. So I think I'm just going to terminate it a little bit higher up the hill here. That is not terrible. So now I'm actually going to take it all back off. These mess up the fender pretty bad. But now we have a kind of a line that we can clean up the fender a little bit here. so there we go. And actually kind of stiffened up the fender too. So I'm thinking what we're going to have to do, put this mount as close as we can to the fuel door. And then we're going to have to just line everything else up as we can go from there. So let's aim for right about here. Okay. All right, this is where things get interesting. How do we want to do that? We really just want to slice it right there, like straight, and then have it come off as a corner, or slice it even with that, and then we'll have that gap flapping. I think I kind of like it more this way, just to kind of go with the door. Well, let's just do it. No balls, as they say. Not likely going to be very pretty. But it's going to have to be what it is. probably about as good as we're gonna hope for. I mean, we probably could have gotten a little bit better in there, but all right, that is looking pretty decent. It's like from a distance, you can't even tell where I cut it for the door. So I don't think there's much to complain about. I've bounced it, so make sure that nothing hits into anything. So I think we are good to fly. I just have to go mimic the exact same thing on the other side. But that's just the same old, same old. So we're gonna leave it off here. Thanks for stopping by and watching. And we will see you again next time. Later.